What's up, guys? Man, the weather's changing. It's starting to rain, starting to get a little colder. We all want to say that summer lasts forever, but it's got to end sometime. So we want to make sure at Willands that we're taking care of your cars coming up on the colder months, coming up on the rainy months. There's 4 real big things that you want to make sure you take care of during this time of year. It's your batteries. Make sure your car can start. If it doesn't start, you can't get anywhere. You want to make sure your coolant's good, topped off, and to the right pH levels, because if the freeze point isn't correct, you'll have issues with your car freezing. We got the tires, super important. You don't want to slide around. You don't want to accidentally rear end somebody because your tires are too bald. Then your windshield wipers are a big thing too. When it starts to get snowy and that slush shoots up on your windshield, it's really hard to see when you have bad windshield wipers. So those are the 4 top things that I can think of that'll really help in this weather here in Washington.